Welcome to part 2 of Before 83. It's basically Fredbear's Family Diner when it was all the rage and when it was really popular. I love Fredbear's Family Diner. See? This is the cast that I'm gonna be showing you. There's some characters that I won't be showing you because they are secret for later. Sparky the dog, Grey Puppet, Withered Bonnie and Chica, and Withered Foxy. Yarr. Why are you not pairing me up with them? Like, Withered Bonnie, Withered Chica, with Foxy. Yarr. That makes me sad. Hello, Freddy. Hello, I'm Freddy Fazbear. Spring Bonnie. Hi kids, I'm Spring Bonnie. He's not the Springtrap Spring. Well, he's the same suit, but he isn't weared by anyone. They're robots. Like in this universe, well, it's the same model. Well, it's the same suit, but in this universe, William Afton doesn't exist. No, he does exist. But okay, it's hard to explain. Hello, I'm Gordon Freddy. Oof. Hello, I'm Fredbear. I just realized that my microphone wasn't that high, and I was kneeling, so I'm gonna stop kneeling, kids. Then there's Cleaner, the scientist. My name's Cleaner. I look like Mr. Clean. Kids, it's me, Freddy, your new singer. I am going to make a song for you. Who's the third best? It's me. Who is the third best? It's me, obviously. I am the best, I am so great, and I am the best. Man, here in, but I'm third place. Wow. Who wants to do a wheelbarrow race? Who wants to do a wheelbarrow race? I do. I'm gonna sit here, like, easy one. I'm a bounce. Oh. Hey, my wheelbarrow. Stop touching my wheelbarrow. It's really important. Because it came out at the exact same day as me. So stop being mean to Mr. Wheelbarrow. Oh yeah, and that's number 1 crate. Well, that's just crate. Warning. Used by other... I can't read what it says. Hi kids, I'm gonna sing a song. This is a happy song. The birds are tweeting. The trees are rustling. And there's a happy song. There's Mr. Cupcake. He forgot to be in the intro. But that's okay. Really okay. And that's okay. Yeah. I agree, Fredbear. That's okay. Wait. Your song didn't even make sense. Wait. I say that we should be happy, and I'm singing. Wow. Anyways, I'm just gonna go in to the parts and service room to bandage up some guys. Yeah. Put your hands up. This is a bandaging thing. You're gonna be bandaged. Do you know what happens when you become bandaged? You get fixed and you can perform. Yes, please. I would like to be bandaged. Later. I would like to be. No. How about one of these two? Me? No. How about this guy? You don't need any bandaging at all. Why are you in ports and serviced? All we have to do is just give you a makeup, give you a makeover, give you a makeover. I don't want a makeover. Too bad. You're getting a makeover. Those are the stripes. That's mask. Okay, so basically, time to give him some green eyes. How did I give him green eyes? Oh, I know. I know. I thought it would just be a straight up light. Light? No. Why is it not just a straight up light? Like a dot? Is there anything that can give it green eye? I don't think there is. That kind of blue. It was like, I'm gonna fix this guy. Well, so I'm gonna give it a new color scheme. I was like, and you know me. You me. I got whoa. I'm ready to perform. All I can do with you is I can do this. Oh wait, wrong tool. All I can do with you is I can do this. Then what bones? Like God, why is it? You're in your me. I had nothing change. Oh wait. Here. Nah, I can't do anything of you. Can't do anything of you. Please no. Please. Why are you saying please no? You know what? Just for that. Get them to lock your jaw in place. And boom! I do not feel better. How about me? How about me? No. Why? Why? Why don't you want to make me? I ain't perfect. I'm a dog. Everyone loves dogs. Yeah, but you're gonna be so much work. Whoa! Look at me. Look at them. He's missing his whole face and an arm. Oh, well, I'm just missing a bit around my eye, a hand, and my arm and leg, foot skin. It's not fair. Okay. Whee! Meanwhile, there was a secret shadow, well, secret government. Yeah. When will they finish? When will they learn not to mess with us? They really destroy me. Damn. They destroy me the parts. It's not fair. Crying about it. Hello. No. Hello. No. 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 You? No. Why is nobody cute? You, mister. Gonna go downstairs. You're gonna act like you're supposed to be there. Then you hurt somebody. Okay, fine, Sammy. Nah, this makes me feel better. No. I am ready to take action. I will defeat those nerds like they are nothing but butter. Dun 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 dun. Time to hide. Hide here. And everything. Okay, it's leaving time. Oh, yeah, I hate leaving time. I love leaving time. I do love leaving time. It's so rude. I don't want to like joining time. Well, I'm not gonna stay here overnight. guys, I'm coming too. And then Freddy was like, wow. Who's it? Wait, who's this? Puppet. Well, I used to be Grey Puppet, but I don't see any grey on me now. So you can call me Puppet. Mm. 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 Come on, why isn't it? Why? Okay, so I'm not. I have nowhere to be. Let's get rid of a wheelbarrow boxing, borrowing. Let's turn it into a wheelbarrow of puppet. And then I sit in it, and then the kid's like, oh, wow, it's this new guy, and then like yeah. Wow, they're fixing people a lot more. Whoa, they're fixing a lot more people today. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna stand up. Oh, my legs don't function. Okay, now I see what I'll scrap. Like, zzz, I think it's time. Zzz. Hello, everybody. Nice to meet you all. I would like to join you all. Okay, we can stand in that corner. Okay, okay. Why are you laughing? Oh, that's just a joke in my head. It goes something like, why did the shark drown? I don't know. Because he couldn't see underwater? Never make a joke like that again. Huh? Is that really probably is my imagination. Pretty Fazbear's Pizza. I love rehearsing. Pretty Fazbear. Oh my! If I had legs, I would slap you, but I can't, because I'm not tall enough. Because my legs don't function. Why would they make animatronic? And they make them work out here, but they won't make their legs function. Sounds like skill issue to me. Oh man. What the hell? Did I see one of those evil eyes for a second? Nah, you're probably imagining things. Imagining things. Yeah. Did somebody say evil eye? I may not have evil eye. Wanna know why? Because my pupil too small to be a evil eye. Just my eye is broke. How could they not it? Hear him, a traitor. Oh hey guys, let's play some Dob. I would, but my legs don't function. Oh, I would love to. Oh. Hello. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Oh, what the hell? No. Oh wait. Where's advanced burn tool? I was like, oh, what the hell? Hey, wait a second. Oh, ha 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 ha. You shall die. You will die. What did I do? I'm not related to you. I just exist. I don't even know who you are. Oh, 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 what a, oh. You shall perish. Powers. Powers. Bzzz. Bzzz. Then the crate became living. Kind of. Well, it became living in a way. Bzzz, I am the turbo! Oh, box. Boing. Oh. Wait a second. This isn't really adjusted. Stop messing with my. Oh no! I'm as loyal as a dog. I was like, oh, what the hell? Ow. Oh God, very lower. Calling. And I was like, pick up the phone. What do you want? What do you mean I feed you? What do you mean on the power? Oh, great. I don't care if you're off. I will continue brutally. Oh. I will continue brutally hitting you. Oh, I'm stuck in a loop. Let's just throw his body back here. Oh the hell! Oh, he has some evil eyes. It's just it takes all the evil when he gets to his brain, like he takes all the evil out and like. So one evil eye doesn't have to mean evil. It means you feel reject or you just gone mad. Something. Look who showed up. Oh wait, I think he's either dead or he's restarting. I think he's dead. Let's just give him a while. I am the time crate. Create of all. Cupcake, you can be in me. Yay, I have my own mech suit. It's a mech suit. Yeah, I love my mech suits. It's a mech suit. And we're gonna loving game. I never mind, it's a bit hard. You know. Okay, that's enough. Stop the verse, guys, because they put it. Get up. I can't. Faster. I'm just gonna lay down. Fix my legs. That's what's gonna happen. Wake up. Up. Oh, why does that always happen? Oh wait, I'm just gonna advanced. Is there a thing where you can get rid of Halo? Oh, thing. I don't think there is. Whoa. I'm coming for you. Then he's climbing up the building. Through the stairs like. How dare you! Indeed, I have a time crate. A time crate. Oh no. Stay calm. The shadows. Time doesn't do much. Oh no, that means Foxy! Oh wait, you don't have evil eyes. Yeah, I'm not necessarily evil. I'm just on this team because, yeah, they forced me to. I'm go downstairs. But downstairs? No way! Those guys will hate me. Oh, okay. Come here, ring, Cupcake. Cupcake isn't you died. Oh, I found my banjo. Psh. Cupcake, Cupcake, Cupcake! Cupcake, hi, Cupcake, hi, Cupcake. Oh my god. Then, like, all the guys just drop down. Okay, follow me. Went down all the stairs. Like, boom, 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 boom. I fell down all the stairs. Like, it's falling like it's necessary. Yeah, if you want to be a goofball, team is the team goofball. Oh, what the hell? Why did this guy roll out here? Not supposed to be this far out, little guy. Boom. Yeah, yeah. I just fly in the back because he kind of damaged. Oh, I'm human being can't see me. Oh, just stay there. There's a few more people there. Like, yes, I got my banjo back. Well, how'd it go? Went really good. Also rescue this guy. Hi guys, I'm not evil. I just want to just point that out. Oh, why would you trust you? Because I said I'm not evil. How would I lie? What? Something about that whole sentence tells me that you're not evil. I'm just gonna have a sit here. Hey, all my power is gone. Oh, it's you. Give me a second, guys. Actually, can I get scrub dub dub, please? Boo-sa-doo, scrub dub dub. Scrub dub dub. Wait. Scrub dub dub. Wait. Why is it not a good one? Oh, I'm just gonna look around stuff till there's something, like anything. Yeah, is a good round. Where is, I need like anything. Let's just get some wood. Oh, come on. I can't, why? Why did it make it impossible to gain you? Look. Good idea. Look. All we have to do, we do this. Brightest color, which we all know is pink. This. No, I just can't do it. Oh, look, he's a little puppy. It's a little puppy. Oh, look at the little puppy. Remember, you just trying to be a pain. Continuing when I'm doing that, and you'll be okay. It's just trying to be a pain. Remember that. Remember that it's just trying to be a pain. Oh, someone upset. Little bit eeny weeny teeny beeny tiny upset. Well, guess what? I'm upset that you exist too. Girl, wait. You're still weaker than I am. Don't forget that. That's why we kicked you out. Because you joined us. And you were too weak. No. Oh, guys, help! Don't worry about them. They won't help you. Hey, I don't like you. Hey, I like you. Oh, for the hell! Why did I like you? Do you know what forgiving is? Probably not, because I'll never forgive you for what you did. Wait, what? Oh no! Oh, go. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get back on the stage. I had no idea what going on today. The previous day would made more sense, but today was weird. Wanna know why? Freddy got beat up, then the crate became living, and we got a puppet, and we got another fox in the basement, and we got a toy cupcake. This is a weird day, but this is the extra outro. There is toy cupcake time. Crate the crate of crates. Oh well, where is he? I found a cupcake bar, a rest time cape, and spring cupcake. Yay! We love spring cupcake. We love time crate. Yes, Fredbear, Spring Bonnie, and there is, don't forget, there is Withered Foxy, Withered Bonnie, Withered Bonnie, and Withered Chica too. Aww, there's Endo too, and Rocky, their rivals are three more, probably more. In the upstairs facility, we have Shadow B behind there. Shadow Freddy, Shadow Bonnie, the Shadow Fuse. You said no, nothing. And they're gonna recruit someone else. Won't say who, won't say when. That's the extra song. That's the extra song. Now we're going to leave in like 7 seconds. I'm gonna be gone.